We are a family-owned roofing business that has been around for over 20 years. We focus on customer satisfaction, being punctual, walking the customers through the project, being thorough with our work, and provide the highest customer service we can. The company originally started through my father-in-law over 20 years ago, and throughout the years I started involving myself, and over time I took over the company, and now I run the company and I am the CEO. What makes us unique is that we are constantly looking to improve, and we held ourselves in a high standard to provide good customer service. We also provide exclusive warranties for roof at a very compatible, reasonable price in the market. The manufacturers that we're certified are Owens Corning, Certainty, and Boral. Some of the products that we offer are composition shingle, tiles, TPO, torch, standing metal seam roofs, and slate. One of the jobs we did, a customer was so satisfied that she actually fed us through the whole entire project. If I was hiring a roofer, here are the three things I would look for: reasonable price, customer satisfaction, and what type of warranty. Another thing I would look for are insurances, such as liability insurance, workman comp, make sure all that matches the company's name, all the expiration dates are all up to date. Some of the things that consumers are fearful is they don't understand the roofing process of it. So what we do is that we try to explain to them every phase thoroughly, and as we're going through each phase, we are always keeping the consumer in touch of what's going on with our project. The three reasons why you should hire us is because we have experienced staff, we provide exclusive warranties, and we also have a very reasonable price. If you have any roofing needs, please contact us at www.sersivcorp.com, and we'll be gladly help you out.